WMF Peak 50 Daily Cleaning. Turn off the machine via the button on the left side of the display. Remove the plug-in clean adapter from the milk container and connect it to the machine's hot water outlet. Now place a container with a capacity of about 1 liter under the machine's spout. Then confirm the operation on the display. The daily cleaning cycle will start automatically. Wait until the cleaning process is complete. Please be careful, as hot water will be coming out during the process. After successful cleaning, the machine switches off automatically. Now remove the plug-in clean adapter from the hot water spout and connect it to the milk container. Caution: there may still be hot water in the hose. Your machine is now clean and ready for its next use.